Be careful with that thing!
I'm really awesome at it! Watch!
Listen, I know I'm mad at you now, but you have to be careful. Your sister is more dangerous than the zombies.
Oh, man.
Rosalind, watch it! Watch out!
Nick shoots!
Ah, we're falling!
Ugh, I got us! Yay!
Yay might be pushing it.
Whoa! Check out that cathedral! It's beautiful! I adore you! Nick Toss!
Juliet, I see it. Hold on to something. Here. Well, that's it. I'll make sure you're protected from anything that gets in your way.
Well, here I go!
Good luck to both of you. Nick, you may not be the guy I'd pick for my daughter, but you're obviously the guy she'd pick for herself. And she's always been a hell of a lot smarter than me.
Thanks!
This is incredible. Juliet, you actually made it. Fantastic.
You! How could you do this? To our school! To the people we loved! What?
Juliet!
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Look who it is. Mary-Kate and Ashley.
Oh, Juliet. I've been getting so lonely since you've been wasting all my dark purveyors. Poor Louis here is the only one left.
And there's about to be none.
Ah, cocky little whore. I like that.
Bring it on, douchebag! I'm gonna F you up!
I love your passion, babe. Looks like we can make beautiful death together. I've got a feeling when I start playing, you're just gonna die! Rock and roll is here to stay. You're not. Fuck. All right, chickie. Keep up now. We gonna fly. You ready? Now let's go to the depths of hell!
Your turn, you whiny MySpace-haired jerk!
Fantastic work, Juliet. You've done everything just as I hoped you would, start to finish. Thanks for your cooperation. Now the real deal is fulfilled!
What? What are you talking about?
You incredibly hot idiot. I told you, for the gates of hell to open, a ritual must be enacted. And you were part of it all along. I set this whole thing up, you fools! Now the ceremony has been completed! A pawn, you, had to sacrifice 5 pre-selected zombies, and they must utter the sacred words at the point of their deaths. Meus vita rege pro nefario coepto.
Why? Why are you doing all of this?
Because you're just like everyone else! You pretended to be different, but you're not!
What? Me?
Yes, Juliet, you! Bitch! This is the end. The real end to everything. This school, this world, deserves to be destroyed. It rejected me. It ridiculed me. So I'll make this rotten world even more rotten. Rot away. Rot away. Rot. 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 So fuck all of you. Your eternal screams of horror will be my pop music.
It's the zombie of zombies, Killabilly.
Yesterday, I stubbed my toe. I was like, this is the worst day ever. Yeah, not quite.
Juliet? Can you hear me, Juliet?
Morikawa-sensei! You're alive?
Can you hear me, Juliet? My prize student. It is impossible to rest in peace with all this going on.
Sensei, are you alive?
He just said rest in peace, Juliet.
Maybe he's trying to take a nap, Nick.
His voice is all ghosty and creepy and weird. It's a sure sign he's dead.
Yes, dear. I am contacting you from the land beyond words. I'll guide you the best I can, but the reception here is terrible, so listen carefully.
Yes, Sensei.
Yes, Sensei.
Really, Nick? The fate of our whole town is in the balance and you're gonna take the time to mock me?
I didn't...
I just heard you. You're right there.
It was the wind or something.
Please, both of you. Juliet, you must first get close to Killabilly. But be careful. He is, shall we say, cranky.
I love you as much as I love cheeseburgers! Happy birthday, Juliet!
This sucks!
Juliet, can you hear me? Listen carefully as our connection is tenuous. You must do as I say.
Okay.
You're making good progress. A path will open for you if you move ahead, through his mouth and into his body.
I'm pretty good at keeping guys out of my body. Ever tried getting inside of someone else's?
Juliet! Look out!
Go, Juliet, now, before the hole closes.
But my daddy! No!
You must go into Killer Billy's body before the hole your father created closes. His weakness is inside his body.
I can't.
Juliet, listen to me. You have to go now. Your dad did what he did because he trusted you. Show him he was right to believe in you.
Okay, Nick. Let's get this over with.
Ah!